Hi everyone and welcome back to another review. Now today we're looking at some onion rings. They're from Bird's Eye, part of their chicken shop range. Means nothing to me, but it is hot and fiery onion rings. It says new, but I think they've been out a while. I'm not too sure. They have a 2 chili rating. So how hot and fiery are they going to be with only a 2 chili rating? Probably ideal for me. I'm still going to find these hot. I know it. Where did I get these from? I got them from Farmfoods. I have seen them in Tesco's and all the big supermarkets as well. The only thing is, for the life of me, I cannot find the receipts, so I don't know how much they were. I think they were about $2.25, $2.30, something like that. 450 gram bag. Let's stick these on and then I can have a look, see what it says. You cook them in the oven from frozen, 200 degrees C, fan 180 or gas mark 6, 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to put these in the air fryer though today. What does it say? Let me have a look. Onion rings formed from chopped onions, coated in a spicy batter and lightly fried. Chopped bits of onion. I do like the onion rings you get where it's proper bits of onion. I do prefer those to the chopped ones, but we'll see. Allergens, let's have a look at them. Wheat. Right, let's get them open. Let's get these hot and fiery onion rings open. See what they look like. Right, as usual, let's get you in the bag. There you go. So, there's some of the onion rings there. Throwing them everywhere. You can see the little red bits of chilli. There you go, look at that. They've got bits of chilli on. Right, so I'm going to go and cook these in the air fryer. As soon as they're done, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Right, here we go. So yeah, just out the air fryer. I'll give a few to my son as well for him to try. And yeah, why should I suffer on my own? That's what I say. Right, let's give these a go. They look quite nice. They've gone nice and crispy. I did whilst I was waiting for these to cook, I looked online, I found a few reviews. And a lot of them have said that they've gone all soggy. I don't know how they cooked them, but as I said, this has been done in the air fryer. And they are by no means soggy. They're nice and crispy. So, that's that eliminated. Now, they do smell nice, they look nice. What do they taste like? Let's have a look. Minced onion. As I said earlier, I do prefer the ones where you get a whole onion ring. I can taste the spice. But even for me, at the moment, it's very mild, but it is noticeable. But at the same time, it's also kind of pleasant. It's a bit weird because it says hot and fiery, but then it's only got a 2 chili rating, so if you're buying these expecting them to burn your head off, they won't, not even for me. It's there as a gentle warming to the roof of my mouth and my tongue, but that is it. at the moment. Actually, they're quite nice. They're about my sort of heat level. Very, very gentle heat. Very slight burn to my mouth, but nothing that I can't handle. Very tasty as well. These are going nice as a side dish. But they are very nice, I do like these. Heat is starting to build up a little bit. But tasty. Would I buy them again? Yeah, they are a little bit pricey. Even though I can't remember the correct price, but they were £2 odd. Is that pricey these days? Is it? They cool down really quickly. But overall, I like them. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. If I fancy something a little bit, with a little bit of a kick to it, yeah. But it's manageable, and trust me, if I'm saying that, then it is. Yummy. All gone. And the heat has remained the same. It's not got any worse. It's not disappeared. I've sort of got an urge to, but no, it's good. It's good, and I don't need a drink, so that's good. Guys, if you've tried these, please do let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Leave your comments in the comment box below. But as a whole, I enjoyed them. Very nice. Guys, that's it from me. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm out of here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next review.